basics of model drawing, like how it's being taught in school. Many of the school is now currently using model drawing in their section C. So we are here in the Max Excel, we are very much specialized in model drawing, showing the way, the easy steps of drawing models to understand how to do it. So here am I sharing what we are actually teaching here in Max Excel, how to draw simple 3 steps to go to model drawing. As a basic of start, this is a P3 level. So I'm sharing some of the concepts that are being taught in school so that it can assist you as a parents to teach your child at home. Okay, first concept, we go directly to the questions. It's going to be quite a short video clips. On and on, moving forward, we will share more of what model drawings is all about, more questions and the solutions, and challenging questions to some of the brighter kids. So these are the minimal that the kids are expected to do. It's good to know and understand. So here we actually teach step by step. Okay. So for the first one, P3 level, Rakesh has 240 marbles. Janet has 24 more marbles. How many marbles does Janet have? So in terms of drawing models, so we always teach our students 3 easy steps to do. Number 1, we tell them to learn to identify how many subjects are there. Subjects here is not referring to English, Maths or Science kind of subject, but here in this case is we teach the kids how to identify the subjects, like what is talking about. In this case, they have Rakesh has 240 marbles, Janet has 24 more marbles. So how many marbles does Janet have? So yes, they talk about marbles. Then they also talk about, mainly they have Rakesh and Janet. So we have 2 models. So that's where we teach the students slowly how to identify how many models, what exactly they talk about. Later on, I will give you examples of how to identify one model. This is 2 models. They have also 3 models. So it depends on the subjects. How many models you need to draw, the kids need to draw, depends on the how many subjects are there in this being the question. So in this case, there's 2. So you can ask them to write R for Rakesh enough, no need to write so long. R for Rakesh, J for Janet. So Rakesh has 240. So once the child is able to identify that they're supposed to draw 2 models, so you can ask them to read Rakesh has 240 marbles, so Janet has 24 more. So logically, Janet has to be longer than Rakesh. So how you prompt your child? You can ask, so who is more? So they're going to say Janet. I'm sure this is quite simple questions they are able to respond to you. So once they say Janet, so when you say you are having more, your rectangle will be longer or shorter. So they're going to say longer. So in that case, you can ask your kids to go and draw a long one. Always use freehand. In our class here, we encourage strongly our students use freehand, no ruler. Why? Because to us, we are directing all these kids and training all these kids towards PSLE format, whereby time is very crucial. So drawing models in like bar graph like this, I'm very sure they are able to do. So no perfections. If they are so perfect in the lines, it doesn't give them any additional marks. Because this model actually just help them to understand the questions better so they can be able to answer logically. Okay, so Janet has more, so your Rakesh should be slightly lesser. Doesn't matter where exactly, as long as less. So 240, you can ask the kids to put 240 inside. Then they tell you, so that's the one. Then they have 24 more. So the 24 more is always the extra. So you can ask your kids to do a line like this. So this part is 24. Okay, or you can ask them to put inside, doesn't matter. Okay, whichever convenience you and make them understand. Alright. So then from there, they ask for how many marbles does Janet have. So the last you must have is question mark. So I go through again. So this is a model that is required for this question. So I go through again. The first one is to identify the subject. How many subjects or what are they talking about? It depends on will determine the number of models that you need to draw. The second one that you need to teach your child is to label. You label the questions, the model, I mean. So where you have Rakesh, put R, don't need to spell the word because it's wasting of time. And J, if you have if you have questions like Sally, Siti, so Sally is also in the S, so maybe you can put SA for Sally or SI for Siti, something like that. So it's easy. Train them to do abbreviations rather than long letters. Okay. And the third step is to have your question mark. Why I have a question mark? Because it's quite crucial for them to see what are they going to be supposed to do. So in this question, you can see Rakesh is here, the Amo is here. So they ask for Janet is here to here. So how to find here to here? Obviously you can say that this is equal to this and this is extra 24. So how to get this? So the child is able to see. That is where the importance of model comes in, whereby it's actually visualize what actually in the sentence through the model so that the child can see better. This is very much useful. I tried for many students in my even how slow they are. When it comes to model, they can understand it perfectly. If those quicker ones, of course, we start exposing them with more challenging questions. So in this case, how do we do? So to get Janet, we have 240 and plus 24. And we get them to do the working by the side, and the answer will be 264. So that's the answer. So the next video, I'm going to share with you another concept where it's called the less than models. Then we're going to share with you the equal model in the next few slides. So, in the next few videos. So stay tuned and thank you.